Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Civic Coupe Sport. The vehicle is equipped with LED daytime running lights. You'll have keyless entry. The vehicle does come equipped with all-weather floor mats. You'll have leather and cloth seats. You'll have steering wheel controls to be able to answer your phone calls. You'll also have the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, as well as a forward collision braking system. You have a nice size display, which includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. You will have a USB port, as well as a power port. The vehicle has an electronic parking brake, also has the brake hold feature. You'll have an Econ mode for fuel efficient driving. You'll have a deep cup holder with a USB port in the bottom of it. Paddle shifters. Capless fuel filler. The vehicle does come equipped with a backup camera with 3 different views. You'll have a nice trunk with all-weather cargo tray. Also has a spare tire and tool set. This is the 2019 Honda Civic Coupe Sport here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.